Have you ever wondered how easy or hard it is to swap a 12-key controller for a tap controller? Well, let's just find out. Tap controller conversion kits come with a wiring harness adapter so that you can hook directly into the existing wiring that's at the kiln. Also comes with the controller itself. In this case, it's going to line up with the box that we already have, but if it didn't, we have a conversion box as well, so it'll fit right over top. And the first thing we want to do, power off. Always smart. The controller has 4 screws in the outer corners. We're going to remove those so that we can free the controller from the control box. Next, we're going to access the back of the controller. And in this case, what we need to do is remove the thermocouple wires because they're going to go to our new controller. Simple as unscrewing 2 terminals. And we're going to disconnect the old wiring so that we can get the new wiring in place. Now that that's disconnected, let's get the new controller hooked up. The thermocouple goes in first, and in this case, we're just going to push in to the toolless connectors at the bottom of the controller, the 2 wires that we pulled off the previous controller. Push those in, they're nice and tight, they're not going anywhere. Then all we need to do is hook up the output connector and the input power connector, and then we can secure it right into the control box. There we go, our new controller's installed.